Hey guys, Liana of LianaVibes.com, and I just wanted to hop on here and remind you that today is World Mental Health Awareness Day, and this is about bringing awareness to the struggles of those who are struggling with mental illness, mental health, mental challenges. We need to release that stigma, and some interesting facts is that 1 out of every 5 Americans suffer from a mental illness, particularly when we're talking about depression and anxiety, which definitely takes the whole gamut of mental challenges and illness. So we got to release that stigma. We should make it a safe environment where we can talk openly about our own personal mental health struggles so that it can be a safe, encouraging space for people to feel empowered to access mental health services, whether that be therapy, life coaching, or any other type of counseling that's available. I really do believe that in a society like today, where you have things like narcissistic abuse and generational traumas, and just trauma in general from just, daily life, including things economically, financially. These things are all pressing at the very moment. And if you are dating someone currently, I want to leave you with this little reminder that if the person you're dating doesn't value mental health, what makes you think that they'll value your mental health? That's all for today's video. I'll catch you on the next one. And until then, stay well and vibe well.